Alright guys, we are outside. We got the two SCX10 3 Gladiator on your right and Early Bronco on the left. Now I installed the Treal axles. I just wanted to show you how they both look. Of course the Gladiator, I had them on there a while. Those are the portal axles, and Bronco are the straight Treal axles. Portal, straights, and also I installed those Rock Pirate shock tires. Show you what's going on under here. Gave me a time with the shock tires and keeping those inner fenders. Inner fenders. But anyway, there we go. You see here, I had to drill a hole. Should have cleaned up some of that metal, but anyway, I drilled the hole and put a screw through it there, and I put a hole through the front body mounts toward the back, and a screw through there. Got it connected there and there. Same thing over here. That was able to keep my inner fenders in pretty sturdy. And the back is pretty straightforward. Just had to notch it out. Got a little messy cutting, but I even have to go more because I was thinking about putting my 90 mils back on the front, keeping my 80s in the back. So I'm kind of liking the back. Front, we'll see how it handles. Alright guys, we'll get the battery in, top pop back on, and we'll get it in. I guess it's really the first time I really showed under the hood of this thing. I'm still rocking the stock ESC receiver combo, stock dig servo. Still haven't did anything with the 2-speed. Still running stock on single speed. Only thing I did do, because I had this laying around, I put in a 3-pole crawler Spektrum Firma rebuildable motor brush. But that'll be coming out soon. And when I first got this thing, I was thinking I was gonna do this outrunner mode on the front. Still maybe gonna do this crawler. This is the 2250 kV one, so it should have a little more enough speed, but a lot shorter in there. Just seemed like it'll be right in there spinning in the front. But alright guys, get these wheels off, get these links loose, shocks out, and also with these rock piles I am going to have to cut into the inner fenders and notch it back, I guess about this way. So notch it out around in there. So I'm on all of them actually. But alright guys, let's get started. Alright, man, we got the wheels, the tires, and had some hub extensions on there. Got that off. Now I need to take out the shocks. Take these links loose, these upper links loose, and the drive shaft, and get all the internals out, a skid plate, and get it in and on the rear axle. Put that back in. Alright guys, now look, there's not many videos showing the disassembly of these rear ends or these axles. I'm going to show you this one. I started that one. Alright, got this back together, rolling nice and smooth. Only thing is left to do is slap this back in the truck. And bam! Back in. Looking good. And I still got to do the shock tower, so I'll wait it out before I do anything more to this. I still want to, pretty sure I'm going to have to put some spacers on there to bring the shocks out some. But other than that, that's the rear, and we'll do the same thing with the front. Alright guys, we are back, and there we go with the body install. Everything looks nice and level. And I did do a pre-fit before I put it on camera a couple of times, actually trying to get everything adjusted right, but everything lining up pretty good. Wheel wells look pretty good, nice and clean. Alright guys, I'm going to take it to the rocks, get some running footage in. Guys, stay tuned.